Doors open.
And along we go into Primark, and the lifts there are some nice 4th generation eco discs. Right then, along to the next Westfields, which is the Westfields in Guildford. But before we go into Westfields itself, let's first take a look at this car park. And that is really unusual architecture for a car park. It's really nice to see a car park looking quite different. This is like not bog standard. And now we go along to the lift there, which is an 80s Otis Evans. The nameplate looks very much like an Evans nameplate, but it says Otis on it. So this is after Otis took over Evans and pretty much ruined the company.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening.
And now, let's take a look inside of this car park and just take a look at that roof. That's a very unusual looking roof for a car park. Looks like I'm in some sort of weird shed building. And along we go to the next lift, which is another 1980s Otis Evans.
Doors closing. Eleventh floor. Doors opening.
Oh no, so unauthorised! Lip surfing sign! And now we go into Westfields in Guildford and to the first lifts, which are some Schindler MRLs, and only one of these two lifts was working, and these lifts are very busy.
Door closing. Floor 3, door opening.
And now go along to a shop inside of Westfields. This shop has a totally awesome, brand new Arona, and this is Arona's all new design of lift, and it looks totally awesome.
Doors closing. Lift going down. Ground floor. Doors closing. Lift going up. First floor.
And now, this shop also has some Arona escalators. Now, I've not actually seen Arona escalators before. Let's take a look at them. I'm now going across the bridge and coming outside of Westfields, and along we go to a lift down to the car parks. This lift's a futuristic, decent but MRL, but it isn't working and looks like it hasn't worked for quite some time. On this area outside of the lift is now a smoker's den. This is where all of the smokers come to smoke. And if they weren't all there, I would have actually opened this lift up and taken a look at it, but I was like crowded out by smokers puffing on their cigarettes. It's like, we all have lung cancer, so we'll give you lung cancer as well. And now let's take a look around this housing estate outside of Westfields, and along we go to the first lifts there, which are some nice spots which have been modernised.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. Fourth floor. Doors opening.
And now let's go into one of the blocks of flats, and lift there is modernised. Ah! And now that is all of the lifts in Westfields. It's a rather small Westfields in Guildford, so let's now take a look at the rest of the lifts in Guildford. So now go along to the next building, which is a rather sort of high, secure sort of building. The sort of building where this wouldn't be appropriate to use my lift key. The lift key is a 90s standard lift which has been modernised, and as I said, I so totally didn't use my lift key in this lift, did I?
Doors closing. Lift going down. Ground floor. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going down. Basement. Doors opening. Doors closing. Lift going up. Ground floor. Doors opening.